my friends? I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Cooking is not just throwing a bunch of food together and hoping the dish will turn out well. Although sometimes it can happen. To me, cooking is about combining ingredients, seasoning them well, and even adding some condiments to wrap up the dish deliciously. Here's a recipe you really need. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my crispy fried onion strings. This is a condiment that goes so well with many proteins like beef, pork, chicken, as well as hot dogs, burgers, etc. They are very easy to make and the results are so tasty. It's certainly a must-have. So my friends, let's get cooking.
First, we have to thinly slice the onions evenly. So the best tool to use is a mandolin, and it's not expensive at all. It's fast and also does the job like a pro. See, look how nice the slices are. That's the thickness we want. From here, we'll slice the rings in half. Next, in a small bowl, we'll combine flour and sweet paprika. We'll give a good whisk and set aside. Now, we'll drop the onions in a large bowl and it's a good time to separate them. As much as the mandolin does a great slicing job, some layers might stick together. Then we'll sprinkle on a third of the flour mixture and toss the onion pieces around before adding another third. We'll repeat until the mixture is all in, making sure the onion pieces are well coated. This is what makes them crispy. When we're done, we'll move on to the stove. In a shallow skillet over medium heat, we'll add oil and bring the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in batches, we'll add the onions, stir them gently so they don't stick together, and fry them for about 4 to 5 minutes or until golden brown. Halfway through frying, we'll flip them over so both sides are fried equally. When they're done, using a spider strainer, we'll transfer the pieces to a baking sheet lined with a wire rack so the air can circulate, preventing them from getting soggy and letting any excess oil to drip off. We'll spread them into a single layer. After they're all fried, if we don't use them right away, we'll transfer the baking dish to a 170-degree preheated oven to keep them warm until ready to be served. And my friends, these are our crispy fried onion strings. Nicely fried, this condiment is a great addition to the list. They are perfect as a topping for casseroles, salads, steaks, and more. In less than 15 minutes, you can enjoy these tasty bites of onion goodness. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!